Hello, and welcome to the Small Business Tax Savings Podcast, powered by JETRO and Associates. Get ready for another action-packed episode from our team that will help you save time, taxes, and keep more money in your pocket.
Hello, small business owners, and welcome back to another episode of the Small Business Tax Savings Podcast. My name is Mike Jesowshek. I'm a CPA and founder at JETRO, which is a digital accounting firm servicing small business owners across the country, helping them with accounting, bookkeeping, taxes, and payroll. Now, before I get started, if you enjoy our weekly episodes, please leave a review on whatever platform you listen to us on and share with other business owners. And of course, if there is a topic that you want us to touch on, shoot me an email and we will be sure to put it into our schedule. Now, today I want to talk about sole proprietors and partners that are mistakenly paying themselves W-2 wages. So I get asked a lot, if you can pay the owner of a sole proprietorship or a partner in a partnership W-2 wages? And the answer is a big fat no. In order to receive W-2 wages from your business, you must be taxed as either a C corporation or an S corporation. Now, this can really come into play when you have a business above the Section 199A threshold that is looking for W-2 wages as a way to salvage the 20% deduction that you are now allowed as a business owner. Owners also often look enviously at the fringe benefits that are available to employees and not to them as owners. So, to overcome getting shorted on the Section 199A deduction or being denied fringe benefits, we're seeing some sole proprietors and partners instruct their payroll service providers to make them W-2 employees. Unfortunately, this is completely wrong. The sole proprietor may not be a W-2 employee of his or her sole proprietorship, and a partner may not be a W-2 employee of a partnership. Some owners have even tried to use a PEO or professional employer organization to treat themselves as employees through the PEO, and that is also wrong and not allowed. So in summary, as a sole proprietor, you cannot be a W-2 employee of the business. Instead, you operate under the rules of a self-employed individual. And as a partner, you cannot be a W-2 employee of the partnership. Again, instead you would be treated as a partner and can receive funds for services as guaranteed payments, and those guaranteed payments are subject to self-employment taxes. So, to kind of reiterate, you are able to be a W-2 employee, and it's oftentimes required if you operate as an S or C corporation. So sole proprietor or partnership, no W-2 employees allowed. S or C corporation, you are allowed to be a W-2 employee. So keep this in mind. If someone's telling you that you're a partnership or a sole proprietor and you can be a W-2 employee, question them, ask them to look into that a little bit deeper, because it's completely not allowed and actually illegal to pay W-2 wages to yourself as a partner or a sole proprietor. That's all I have for this week. I want to encourage you to check out our website, which is www.taxsavingspodcast.com. This is simply just a great resource to go and check out our most recent episodes, as well as find some extra items. I also want to encourage you to join our Facebook group. You can find this in Facebook by searching Small Business Tax Secrets, and there should be a group that pops up. Answer a few questions, and you'll be invited in there where we share a bunch of free information. Feel free to ask questions. It's a great area where we can collaborate and help you out in your business. And again, I just ask that if you enjoy our weekly episodes, that you please leave a review on whatever platform you might listen to us on. Thank you again for tuning in to another episode of the Small Business Tax Savings Podcast, and I will see you next week.
This has been another episode of the Small Business Tax Savings Podcast from the team at JETRO and Associates. If you have any questions, feel free to email them. tax@jetrotax.com. We have packages for small business owners starting at just $75 a month. If you enjoyed our podcast, please take the time out to give us a 5-star review in iTunes or wherever you listen. This helps us to bring you useful tips to help you grow your small business. Thanks for listening and have a great day.